Welcome back to my channel. If you're a new subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. Please continue supporting me. So today's video is on body care vocabulary in Nyanja. So before I get into details, let's look at some of the things that we use to keep our bodies clean. Sopo, mafuta. So whether cream or lotion, it's still mafuta. Chisakulo, manzi. So water in Nyanja is manzi. And then toothbrush. I don't know what a toothbrush is in Nyanja. I also don't know what toothpaste is in Nyanja. Please, if you know what these two are called in Nyanja, please let me know in the comment section below, because the Lusaka Nyanja, we just say toothbrush and toothpaste. Brushing teeth. Kusuka meno. Kusuka meno. I am brushing my teeth. Nisuka meno. Nisuka meno. I want to brush my teeth. Nifuna kusuka meno. Nifuna kusuka meno. I am going to bath. Naenda mukusamba. Naenda mukusamba. I am from taking a bath. Nachoka mukusamba. Nachoka mukusamba. I am washing my face. Nisamba kumenso. Nisamba kumenso. Go wash your face. Kasambe kumenso. Kasambe kumenso. I am combing my hair. Nisakula sisi. Nisakula sisi. So hair is sisi in Nyanja. Where is my lotion? Mafuta yanga yalikuti. Mafuta yanga yalikuti. Washing clothes. Kuwasha zovala. Kuwasha zovala. I am washing my clothes. Niwasha zovala. Niwasha zovala. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section below. If you enjoyed my video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you're the first to know when I post a new video.